Hey there guys, today we're going to have a little mini adventure. What we're going to do is we're going to put this hive, which is a warrior hive, well my take on a warrior hive, because I wanted to test some things a few years ago. So as a warrior hive, I'm not going to use it as a warrior hive, and it's not an eco hive, but I'm going to be using it just as a nest box. I'm going to go and put it out and about. So you're welcome to come along. First thing I need to do is get some wood chip for the bottom, and then actually I think this one might actually have wood chip in it. And then I need to get it into my truck. So let's put this over here, and then how's that? Let's have a look. Perfect. Right, so I'm gonna go and get some wood chip. I don't think I need any wood chip, but I'm going to take some with anyway. All the bumblebees have hatched. So that's pretty cool. This thing looks like it's looking into the ground. Can you guys see what's going on? There's all the shells from the bumblebees that hatched. So that's pretty cool. Internal volume on this one is a little bit too big, I think. So what I might do is just leave one of these boxes behind. Roof, I had an old pillow, so I'll carry on using that. There was a mouse living in this, which is not ideal. You can see it's been eating around entrance walls, but it doesn't seem to be inside here at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I might drill some holes higher up so we can stop that happening. Because normally bees and mice, the bees will just kill the mice, but when they're moving in, initially the mouse only has to kill the queen, and also quite often what happens is in spring the mice then eat all the new pupae and thereby kill off the colony in early spring, which is also not ideal. So I might have to block these holes with some corks and make another plan. But anyway, let's put that in. So a bit of a dig around in the wood chip in the bottom, and the little mouse hasn't been there for a while. I think they might have just been a bit of exploring. So let's jump in the truck and go and drop this thing off somewhere. So I'm a big advocate for guerrilla gardening. However, with beehives, it's normally easy enough just to ask permission to put them out and about, because they do need to have such a big range. So let's jump in the truck and go for a ride. Right, off to the industrial estate then, or forest, or or wherever. Yep, you can come with. This shitty phone keeps turning off. Pineapple phone, they said. They're so great, they said. Yes, built-in redundancy, Apple. on the top of this, I've just got a piece of cardboard and a piece of wood. They just nail that down, and the stupid thing's turned off and I'm still cooking for myself. Oh, we're still in business. Amazing. I've brought a South African micrometer, screwdriver, or a drill, but I'm going to put a 19mm hole into this thing, and I've got a couple of corks for the bottom 3 holes. And then lastly, before I go, let's just give it a squirt, a little bit of lure. Somewhere. Yeah. Make sure you give it a good old shake. I think the only thing I still need to do, which I don't have here, is get a couple of little tabs and just tab it so that it's all as one piece, so they can't get knocked off or blown over or whatever. And also screw the roof on. But let's see what happens. I've given a bit of a spray, a bit excessively. I just want some of the oils to go into the wood. I walk the dog pasture, so I will keep an eye on it, keep it posted. Yeah, that's pretty much as technical as it is. The only thing I didn't have to do was put the wood chip in the bottom, but there's wood chip in the bottom of that already, and actually assemble the legs, which is also just a 5-minute job. Let's see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Cheers guys, if you like this, don't bother liking and subscribing and all that nonsense. Tell a friend. Thank you.